Start. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Honorable Minister Social Welfare Muhammad Sajid, Minister Labor Speed Ghani, and Secretary of NDMA Mr. Nizam, and ladies and gentlemen, and our friend from the news, the press. I be here and with the group on behalf of the Indonesian government, the government of Republic Indonesia and Indonesian people. First of all, I would like to extend greeting from the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Joko Widodo, to all Pakistani, the President, the Prime Minister, and also the Pakistani people. And the second, President Joko Widodo also expressed his deep concern for the disaster that have been fallen for the Pakistani people. The disaster was caused by heavy rains, which resulted in flash flood and landslides. We bring assistance from the government, Indonesian government, and Indonesian people to to Pakistani people. Hopefully, this assistance can help ease for burden of suffering of the victims of the disaster. I'm going to say that bilateral relations between Indonesia and Pakistan have been very close and very, very warm. And we are as the brotherhood relationship. We are also mutual respect and help each other. For the people of Indonesia, the happiness of the Pakistani is our happiness. Likewise, the suffering of the Pakistani people is also suffering to Indonesian peoples, because we are the brothers. We are in the brotherhood relationship. Our religions teach that the brotherly relationship as a body. If a part of the body sick, then all the body also feel sick as well. So, therefore, based on this spirit of the brotherly relationship between Indonesian people and Pakistani, we are coming here to provide in cash and in kind assistance to support Pakistani in these difficult times. I think that's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, on behalf of the Government of Pakistan and the Government of Sindh, and especially on behalf of the people of the Pakistan, I am really grateful to the Excellency President, Indonesian President, and the delegation led by the Professor Dr. Afandi, with the two aeroplanes bringing here the food support for the flood-affected people, citizens of the Sindh province. I think this kind of support definitely gives some hope and encouragement to the citizen of the Pakistan and Indonesia. This is one of the largest country, the Muslim country in the planet, and have brotherly diplomatic relations with the Pakistan. I think this support is just not in the shape of the aid, but it's more than moral support for the citizen of the Pakistan. And this is a very difficult time, and we are suffering from of the floods and these rains, and around more than 33 million people of Pakistan are affected due to these floods and rains. And in Pakistan, in Sindh province, there's more than 15 million people are affected, and majority is the children and the kids. And I'm very happy to see that many brother countries are come forward, and they are hand in hand with the Pakistani people and the Pakistani government. I think this kind of support will definitely further strengthen the relationship between the Indonesian and Pakistani people. Thank you very much, Indonesia. Thank you very much, people of Indonesia.
Short message in Urdu, sir.
मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ इंडोनेशियन प्रेसिडेंट और उनके मिनिस्टर साहब जो आए हैं, प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर अफंदी, उनका जो डेलीगेशन ही आया है, दो जहाज़ लेकर आए हैं। इसमें इमदादी सामान है, और मैं समझता हूँ कि इमदादी सामान से बड़ी इनकी जो ये आमद है वो हमारे लिए अहम है। इससे जो सैलाब मुतासरीन हैं उनकी हिम्मत अफजाई होगी, उनको हौसला मिलेगा, उनको उम्मीद मिलेगी कि दुनिया भर के जो ममालिक हैं, जो पाकिस्तान के दोस्त ममालिक हैं, वो इस मुश्किल घड़ी में पाकिस्तानी अवाम के साथ खड़े हैं। मैं हुकूमत पाकिस्तान की तरफ से, हुकूमत सिंध की तरफ से, पाकिस्तान की आवाम की तरफ से इंडोनेशिया की हुकूमत और इंडोनेशिया की आवाम का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। इस किस्म की सपोर्ट और इस किस्म के साथ की वजह से आने वाले दिनों में पाकिस्तान और इंडोनेशिया के ताल्लुकात में मज़ीद बेहतरी आएगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।